talk about multiple inheritance in Java. in earlier we paid attention to inheritance. First A and B, single level inheritance, single level. Next A, B and C. These are multi-level inheritance, multi-level. Okay. Next, we paid attention to A, B, and C, multiple. Okay. Next, A, B, and C. Okay. Hierarchical inheritance. Okay. Single level, we made class A. After then, we attest class B with A with the help of extends keyword. Next, we made class A. Next, we made class B. B is attest with A with the help of extends. Next, we made C class. C is attest with B class with the help of extends keyword. Okay. In multiple inheritance, class A, class B, and C is attested with class A and B. Okay, in hierarchical inheritance. Okay, A class, B class, C class. First of all, we have to make class A. After B, B is attested with A. After C, C is attested with A. Okay. Friends, actually Java does not support multiple inheritance in Java. Okay, Java does not support multiple inheritance. Okay, it supports the concept of interface. So A, B, and C. Okay, class A void show system dot out dot print hello. Okay, hover. Next, class B void show1 system dot out dot print Java. Okay. Next, class C extends A and B void show2 system dot out dot print C++. Class J public static void main string args. Now we have to create object of class C. C1 equal to new C1 dot show, right? C1 dot show1 and C1 dot show2. C1 dot show2. Yes. First of all, we made class A, this one. Okay, hello. Second, we made class B, this one. Okay. Next, we made class C, extends A and B, this one and this one. Void show to show one, show two. Okay, we printed the masses. Okay. Next, we close curly braces. Main class, public static void main, string args man method. Here we created object of class C, C1 equal to new C1 dot show, C1 dot show one, and C1 dot show two. Okay. Actually, Java does not permit this thing. Okay. So Java does not support multiple inheritance. Okay. But if we talk about C++, okay, we have to make class A, we have to make class B, and we have to make class C. C will be attached with class A and B. Okay. But in Java, okay, it is actually Java does not support multiple inheritance. Java supports a concept that is called interface. Okay, so we will pay attention to interface now. Okay. So first of all, what is interface? Okay, we have to know about interface. An interface is basically a kind of class. Like classes, interfaces contain methods and variables, but with a major difference. The difference is that interfaces define only abstract methods and final fields. It means that interfaces do not specify any code to implement these methods, and data fields contain only constants. Okay, what it means that interfaces do not specify any code to implement these methods, and data fields contain only constants, right? So how to define interface? Let us see. Once again, I want to clear here, Java does not support multiple inheritance. Okay, Java supports three types of inheritances: single level, multi-level, and hierarchical. Okay, Java does not support multiple inheritance. So Java supports a concept that is called interface. Class a void show one system.out.print hello, this one and this one. Class B extends a void show to system.out.print Java okay. Next, interface I. Okay, we have to define interface. Okay, and we will define only method here, void put. Okay, we will not define the body of this method here. Okay, now next class C extends B implements I. Okay. Next, public void put. And now we are going to do the nesting of methods. Okay, nesting of methods, I mean show one, show two. Okay, so we have to put show one and show two inside the put method. Okay, show one and show two. we will call only put method, okay, and these methods will be invoked, okay, show1 and show2. Next we have to close class, right? Now we have to make a main class j public static void main string args. Okay. Now we have to create object of class c1 equal to new c. Okay. Now what should we do? C1 dot show1, C1 dot show2, C1 dot put? No. We will call only put method, and inside the put method, show1 method is existing and show2 method is also existing. Okay. Now C1 dot put this one. Once again, Java does not support multiple inheritance. Okay, Java supports another concept called interface. Okay. Class A, we made class A void show. This is method, okay, and we have given masses. Okay. Next class B extends A void show2, and we have given a masses. Okay. Next we have defined interface. Okay. And we have defined method here. Okay, the method the body of this method will be declared where interface will be implemented. Okay, so implements are right. Okay, next we will declare this body here. Okay, public void put show1 show2. Okay, we have closed we have to close method, we have to close class. Next main class, main method. We created the object of class C. Okay, C1 equal to new C, C1 dot put. Okay, and we have closed curly braces, right? So this is called interface in Java, right? Once again, if we talk about C++, C++ supports 5 types of inheritances. Okay, but in Java supports single label, multi-label, and hierarchical inheritance. And if we talk about multiple inheritance, okay, we have to use interface concept. This is all about interface. Okay, I hope you must have got knowledge. Okay, so you can create single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. Okay, and you can create interface. Okay, so once again, that interface will be implemented, right? Interface is basically kind of class. Java does not support multiple inheritance. Okay, so I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much.